Howdy guys! Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I think you already know what tutorial I'm going to do today, which is this beautiful DIY rainbow hair transformation that you can easily do at home. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and click the bell button to get notified every time I upload new videos. So I won't keep you waiting on how I did this rainbow hair tutorial, and let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm using 5 different colors of hair color wax. I bought this about $2 or 70 baht each at Wen Cosmetics here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Separate your hair with 5 pigtails, pero kayo na po bahala kung anong method ang gusto nyong gawin, mapa-vertical o horizontal man o ano pa basta. Nasa inyo po yun kung anong method ang mas madali para sa inyo, kayo na po talaga bahala. Don't forget to wear old t-shirt na wala kayong pake na mamantsahan, and also wear gloves. Super bango po ng smell niya. Hindi po siya tulad ng hair dye na we usually use na super sakit talaga sa ilong. This one is yung amoy niya parang nag-shampoo or nag-conditioner ka lang. Charot! Super dali lang po niyang gamitin. So, there's no need to use hair color brush, kaya kamay-kamay lang po tayo. I use the same gloves. Hinuhugasan ko lang po siya every time I proceed to the next hair color wax. Para po tipid-tipid lang po tayo. Naku, mahirap na. Honestly, the hair color wax is really easy to use and madali po siyang magkulay, and also my hair has been bleached once, kaya siguro super colorful niya and dumikit talaga yung hair color wax kasi bleach na po yung buhok ko. Char. The downside when you dye your hair at home is this super messy, but it's easy to clean anyway. Wear shower cap and let it sit for 20 minutes. Kung wala kayong shower cap, mag-plastic bag na lang o cellophane. Kung wala talaga, wag na lang bes. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Tips: if you get hair dye on your skin, just make a baking soda scrub, mix it with lime, lemon, or calamansi, rub it gently onto the affected area, then wash it off, and for sure, mawawala talaga yung stain sa balat nyo. Charot! This is a temporary hair dye and I don't know how long it will last, so I'm going to make a follow-up video in 2 weeks, and I recorded this video last May 16, 2020. And actually, I don't wash my hair like every day. I wash it every other day, like 4 times a week, and I shampoo my hair like 2 to 3 times a week. So that's that. And I only mostly use conditioner all the time, and because shampoo will really dry up your hair. And yeah, I think that's it. And if you have any more question, please don't hesitate to comment down below. If you have any suggestion, please don't hesitate again to comment just down below. And don't forget to like this video if you like this tutorial. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And see ya on my next video. Love you all. Bye.